Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be making Play-Doh ice cream bars. So all you need for this is a rolling pin, round cookie cutters, popsicle sticks, purple Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, and a knife. So first we're going to roll out our pink Play-Doh using our rolling pin. Then we are going to cut half of a rectangle, and using our cookie cutter we're going to cut a curved top. Now we're going to repeat the process with the purple Play-Doh. Now, using our cookie cutter with the serrated edge, we're going to cut the two different colors into three shapes. Then we're going to swap the middle of each of the colors. Push them together and then insert the popsicle stick into the bottom. And there you have it, 2 perfect Play-Doh ice cream bars. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To.